What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to yet again another video. Today I'm actually gonna be helping my boy Tony at Envision Auto out. He's actually doing an engine swap on an S2000. Oh my god. Sorry.
Cars originally from Cali.
Jesus. What was that?
Cars originally from Cali.
Cars originally from Cali. But anyways, I'm gonna be helping him take out a, what is it, F20, right? F20 for another F20. This guy actually blew, like, what was it? What happened? Like, did he blow a rod through the damn block?
Yep. Money shift and boom.
Yeah, he went from third to second instead of third to fourth.
Wide open throttle.
Yeah, obviously this is a track car, so yeah, that down there, and then
Part of the rocker.
yeah, part of the rocker right here. Crazy shit, crazy shit. And those metal shavings all in the throttle body and the radiator as well. So yeah, it's a lot of fun. But yeah, I'm helping him do that, and yeah, that's pretty much the whole thing for today. So let's see what happens. This is actually the new engine right here. And then Tony's like, oh, you should just go F-Series in your car and then put a K-Series tranny in it. And I'm like, I don't have F-Series money right now, dog. But yeah, we're gonna be doing this today, and I'll try to update you guys as best as I can about like the whole, you know, engine swap and everything. But we're almost done. Yesterday we did most of the disconnecting of all the lines and the drive shaft and all the major things to have the engine just come out. Right now we're taking off the front bumper because the engine hoist doesn't get under the car to pick up the engine because of the splitter. So we're taking that off, and then should be ready to go. Should be ready to take out the whole engine, you know, and tranny all at once at the same time. So let's check it out. Let's do it.
Next day, express.
Yep, that's the other side. We didn't even notice this
faster than overnight.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's like an hour.
just send it.
Amazon next.
We didn't even see this until we took the water pump off. That's crazy.
That is dope.
Oh my god.
Wow.
And now we can move the AC compressor.
There you go.
Jesus. That thing's insane.
Make sure the lines.
You let me hang over.
The engine's basically ready to come out now, so let's do a little time lapse. Whoa. The strap holding the damn engine broke. So that was scary.
At least none of us were under the car. Yeah. Yeah. It's ripped. That's gonna go up.
What'd you say, Juan? What'd you say?
What?
Oh, I said if you don't come close to dying, it's not a good day. So we didn't die, it's a good day. Play a lottery, guys.
Oh my god. Alright, so this belt right here was held around the engine and onto the tranny, bolted on to both sides. This side broke off, as you can see.
Getting too much attention.
Yeah, and then
Whatever, nobody died, we're good.
yeah, the motor right now is wedged between the firewall and what is that, the rack and pinion?
The power steering rack.
The power, yeah.
Just lying on it.
That, and then so we took out the motor mounts, actual the actual mount that was bolted onto the motor to give us more clearance, and to bolt in this guy onto the side of the block so that we could get it out easier. And instead of drilling into seat belts, we actually have these that have holes that we can bolt through. So
Yeah, let's not do around too much.
I don't know why we didn't do that in the first place.
Yank out, come out easy, whatever, fuck.
Yeah, right. Here we go, guys. Took the head off. Metal shaving all the way down there. Oh, look at that. Look at cylinder 1, guys.
Look at this.
Jesus. Oh my god.
Look at this valve. It's stuck in the head. It won't come out. Dude, cylinder 1 and 2 just are gone.
Shit, dude. Oh my god.
Yeah, this head's totally savable, you know? In the junkyard for a paperweight.
Yeah, right? That's crazy. Wow.
Oh my god. Dude, look, it hit all the valves, bro.
All of them, yeah. Jesus.
What?
I've seen some shit on Facebook, but I never seen this.
Yeah, I was gonna grab that.
Look at that.
Look at the valve.
Souvenir.
Yeah!
Alright guys, so we pretty much came to a stopping point today. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be making another video on this because tomorrow I actually have to go back to Ferrari. They called me today. But yeah, we're basically waiting for a new clutch and what else? Radiator?
Clutch,
Yeah.
Pressure, or throw bearing, pilot bearing, and then
All that other stuff. Alright, cool. Yeah, so we're basically waiting on that stuff. Since this clutch is toast, the guy was like, oh yeah, it's mildly used. Yeah, that's fucking mildly used, bro. Really?
It's on a turbo AP1.
Turbo AP1? Oh yeah, it's mildly used.
He wants it back, actually.
Who?
The owner that originally sold him the motor.
What the fuck?
He got like 15,000 more miles on it.
He's like, yeah, I'll take the flywheel and pressure plate and clutch disc.
Oh yeah, huh?
Good luck.
Look, that blue's not actually supposed to be there.
No, it's
See the clutch material?
Oh yeah.
Boom.
Oh yeah. Good as new, guys.
Oh yeah. Look at the springs right here.
That's crazy. Well, anyways. Yeah, right. So that, and then this one actually came with a Tomei clutch. I'm not sure if I said that earlier, but it did. Toda. Yeah, sorry. I don't know why I said Tomei.
It's like a $2,000 clutch.
Yeah, Toda Racing. This is done, as you guys can see as well. But basically, just waiting on that, and then we can put that engine into here. But like I said, I'm not gonna be here tomorrow, so probably won't be able to film the, you know, the installation of the engine and everything. But yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, leave a comment, subscribe, like the video, and I will catch you guys next time. Deuces. One love. What was that, Tony?
We got no engines, do we? Do we? No.
40 weight, 50 weight.
40 weight sounds nice. There you go. We got some 10W40 motor for the new motor.
I got
SR20's pull a premium for it a week before Race Wars.
Not double clutch and shifting like you should.
Oh my
That's what
god.
happened on the intake valves.